Alright, so in this video I'm going to show you how to strip a cable. So here in this case we have an old cable, but it's going to be the same thing if you have a new cable like this with the sheeting is all plastic. In this case I have the old one, so I'm going to do that in the other end, and then I'm going to show you later maybe with the other wire as well. So basically you have to grab a knife. There are different tools. There is another tool kind of like this that it has the shape of this, that you can just put it like this here, and then you close it and then you pull and then you can do it. The brand is Klein tool, so it got ruined the one I had, but this is what most people are going to have. So if you have something like this, it will do the trick. The only thing, make sure when you pierce the sheeting that is just in the middle, so that way you don't damage the other wiring inside. And once you do that, you have to pull it on the side. Maybe you can pull a little bit more, so that way I'll show you. There we go.